This is a brief overview of the types of jumps in figure skating. The two main categories are edge jumps and toe jumps. Edge jumps generally take off of a glide from an outside or inside edge, while toe jumps take off from mainly using the toe pick. As a side note, keep in mind, all jumps use the toe pick to be able to leave the ice as well as to land the jump. To begin with edge jumps, included in this category is the waltz jump, Salchow, loop jump, and axel. The waltz jump is one of the first jumps a beginner figure skater learns and is the basis for the axel. It takes off forward, completes a half turn, and lands backward. The Salchow begins with the forward outside 3 turn and takes off of a backwards inside edge to complete one full turn and land backward. The loop jump, usually a favorite among figure skaters, takes off of a backward outside edge off of 1 foot, completes one full turn, and lands backward on the same foot as takeoff. Finally in this category is the axel. Considered one of the hardest jumps to learn in figure skating, it begins taking off of a forward outside edge on one leg, completes 1.5 rotations to land backwards on the opposite leg. Included in the toe jump category is the toe loop, flip jump, and Lutz. The toe loop is done by executing an inside 3 turn on one leg, then putting the toe of the other leg into the ice to jump and landing after one full turn on the beginning foot. The flip jump begins with an outside 3 turn on one leg and putting the toe into the ice to take off, complete a full turn, and land on the same leg. The Lutz takes off from the toe from a backward outside edge, completes one full turn, and lands on the same leg. The leg in which the jumps take off and land is determined by the skater's preference, and there are also different variations of entrances the skaters can use going into the jumps to increase points in competition. Finally, the number of turns a skater completes in the air also determines the level of difficulty and points in competition. For example, any of these jumps could be done as a single, double, triple, and more known to male skaters, the quad. I hope this video is informational and creates a further interest in figure skating.